I'm so happy to be back here in Los Angeles. I just got back from performing in Reno, Nevada. And it was wild there. I got off stage, and this couple rushed up to me, and they were like, "Oh my God, we have to ask you, what ethnicity are you?" And I was like, "Oh, well, my dad's white, and my mom's Japanese." And they were like, "Oh, so your parents met during the war?" And I was like, "What war? How old do you think I am? You think I was conceived in 1944? Because like Asian people, we don't age, but I'm not 78. I am Asian American, which is why you trust the math on that joke. And look, I don't want to speak on behalf of the Asian American community, mainly because they ask me not to. But I will say this, there are so many white people doing Asian anime cosplay, and not enough Asians doing Civil War reenactments. I just want to rally up all my Asians, get some petticoats, maybe some muskets, and go to Washington, D.C. to have a Civil War reenacting. Mainly because I just want to see what the news report looks like that night, Bombed several Asians on the scene today. Is it a sign of nationalism, or did a tour group get lost? More at 11. But no, I don't know. I think being a Civil War reenactor could be a cool job. It's better than the jobs I work right now. I'm a dog walker, and I'm also a host at a restaurant. So my entire career is dedicated to telling things to sit. And it's wild because I worked so hard in school. Like, I don't want to brag, but I graduated top of my class, summa cum laude, from one of our nation's top party schools. I went to San Diego State, and hey, all right, go Aztecs if that's still their mascot, I don't know. But I graduated from there, and when I look back at it, I think that I just had my priorities wrong. When I was 18, all I wanted to be was pretty. And so I joined a sorority because I was like, if I surround myself with attractive people, I'll become an attractive person. And I wish I could just go back in time and shake myself and be like, hey, if you want to be the hottest woman in any room you walk into, don't join a sorority. Go join the improv team. You will be the hottest woman just by default, okay? I also wish I could shake myself and tell myself, hey, it all works out. I love being single, and I have no clue how to tell my boyfriend that. I'm currently dating a short king. And look, I don't know why we're not just calling those princes. I do think that we're a match made in heaven, though, because I don't know if you recognize me, but I was on a very popular game show called Are You Taller Than a Fifth Grader? And I lost, but... And, I just get a little insecure when him and I do daily tasks together, like going to the grocery store, because I can see all of the regular-sized adults kind of give us a cute little smile. And I know they're thinking in their head, oh my God, look at these two 8-year-olds helping their mom with the groceries. It doesn't help that we use the cart with the pole on it. But we have to do that because one time I lost him behind a very large navel oranges pyramid, and I've never really recovered since, okay? I've got to talk a lot about my favorite people in the set, and I want to tell you about one more person. I have a younger brother. He's Gen Alpha. He is so sweet. And so this year, for his birthday, I'm going to give him my ID to start using as a fake. This is 2024. A bouncer can't ask him why he used to be Olivia. Just be rude. But I do get a little nervous because I am afraid that a bouncer will see this ID and be like, oh, so your parents met during the war. Okay, thank you so much. Give it for Daniel.